Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at Win11-5H to Tiny V1, a lightweight custom Windows 11 build designed for low-end and older PCs. We'll go through the installation process and take a first look at the operating system to see how compact and optimized this version really is. Let's get started. The installation process has now started, and like a standard Windows installation, this build includes a custom boot environment with additional tools and utilities before installing the operating system. This environment can be useful for disk management, hardware information, file operations, and other maintenance tasks before proceeding with the installation. For this review, we'll focus on installing the operating system and then examine its footprint and overall experience once setup is complete. Windows is now being installed. This process may take a few minutes depending on your hardware and storage device. Win11-5H to Tiny V1 is designed to reduce system size and resource usage by removing many non-essential components while keeping the core Windows experience available. Once the installation is complete, we'll boot into the desktop and see what has been included in this build. The installation is almost finished. After the system restarts, we'll enter Windows 11-5H to Tiny V1 for the first time and begin exploring the operating system. The setup process has been completed successfully. We're now entering Windows 11-5H to Tiny V1 for the first time. In the next part of the video, we'll examine the desktop experience, system size, RAM usage, and the overall responsiveness of the operating system.